Look at what the OEs are doing. They're by default the benchmark that a customer is going to compare you against. Making sure you understand what their offers are and just checking in and looking through their websites, making sure that you know what they're doing so that when a customer asks you or a customer questions your pricing or the inclusions, that you can explain the difference. All of them do it differently. And so it's worth just spending that little bit of time once a month going in and just checking and keeping up to date. Is they're going to change their offer. You're aware of it. You can adapt and change yours too. And explain the detail to the customer. You've got all this great information in front of you that's telling you exactly what you need to do to look after the customer. Share it with them. Tell them all the different points that you're checking, how many things that you have to do to make sure that that car's there. Don't just give them a price, because the moment that you give them a price and you just end up fighting on price, that's where you get dragged into competition with people that aren't providing that full service. You're putting yourself at a disadvantage. Sharing that information is valuable.
Well, they're in front of you. They're asking for a service. You're going to explain what you're going to do and how you're going to do it. But you need to do it in a way that they trust what you're going to say. Price should always be the last conversation. Price
is not value. You need to explain the value first. I've got all the information. I'm looking after your car the exact same way that an OE would as the people that made the car. I'm doing the exact same thing. And you can trust me in that. Pushing the price as the value proposition undermines the rest of that capability and that knowledge and ultimately trust, because anybody can be cheaper than anybody. It's not a long-term strategy for a workshop to contain and retain a customer.
Yeah, it's interesting because they call it a service department, don't they? Yep. Because that's what it does. It services not only the cars, but the customers.
Yes, absolutely. And we've got to make sure that that perception is aligned. You're looking after the customer's vehicle, but it's the customer's vehicle. Making sure that you understand the two are connected, but they need to be treated differently.